Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off circle to search option in your Google Pixel 7a. It is one of the very beautiful feature whenever I use it in Android mobiles. So how to turn off? It is very simple. Swipe up the screen, go to settings application, then open display and touch. You can see here, open display and touch. After that, just swipe up for the navigation mode. You can see here. Okay, open navigation mode. Sorry, open navigation mode. You can see here, and then you can see option of circle to search. Just simply press and hold this menu bar or the home button bar in the bottom of the screen, and just hold it. Then you will access the circle to search page. So it is very useful, and if you don't like, you can simply turn off the settings from here. Simply tap on that button to turn off circle to search. So then you will press and hold that button or that thing in the bottom of the page, then there is nothing to happen. So if we have problem with that, you can simply turn off the settings, but I strongly recommend that. It is one of the very useful feature. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.